Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the basics are already true. Network and account must be valid, not perfect, just functional. Once done, close Outlook and reboot the device to clear stuck processes and cached auth tokens. Make sure your OS updates are applied. Outdated networking stacks break authentication. Next, confirm your password and multi-factor prompts respond on your phone or security key. If an admin changed settings, you need their confirmation before proceeding. This gets you ready to rebuild a clean connection. You create a fresh Outlook profile to isolate profile corruption. Keep the original profile for data recovery. Once created, let Auto discover attempt configuration. If it fails, manually enter Exchange, IMAP, or SMTP endpoints plus ports and encryption. This prevents wrong server routing. Make sure to clear stored credentials in Credential Manager or Keychain so Outlook prompts for fresh authentication. After saving settings, restart Outlook. This forces a new session and often resolves sync loop issues caused by stale tokens or misrouted auto-discover responses. You finish by running Outlook's test email auto configuration or Microsoft's support and recovery assistant to capture precise failures. These tools explain the how and why of errors. Once done, make sure Outlook is not in offline mode, adjust mailbox cache size, and disable large attachment sync that stalls completion. If the client remains offline, collect Outlook logs and error codes, try another network to rule out firewall interference, and then contact your admin or ISP with the diagnostics for targeted repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.